For the function f of x equals 3x minus 2, we need to find the matching value for x when f of x equals 16. So in this problem, what we're going to do is substitute the value 16 for f of x, and then solve for x. So we're going to set up our equation now that says 16 equals 3x minus 2. The first step to solving for the variable x is to add 2 to both sides. That leaves us with just 3x on the left side and 16 plus 2, or 18, on the right side. Now to get x by itself, we need to divide both sides by 3. That gives us just x on the left side and 18 over 3, which reduces to 6 on the right side. Now that we've solved for x, we know that the matching value for x is 6 when f of x equals 16 for this function. And so 6 is the final answer to problem 10.